Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly add any post on X to your bookmarks so you can find it later without scrolling through your entire timeline. Bookmarking is perfect for saving useful tips, important updates, or posts you want to revisit in the future. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, start scrolling through your home timeline, your lists, or use the search bar to find the post you want to save. Take a moment to decide which post you actually want to keep for later so your bookmarks stay organized and useful. When you find the tweet you want to bookmark, look just under the post at the row of icons. You'll see options like reply, repost, and like. Next to them, you'll find the share icon, which looks like 3 dots connected by lines. This is the button you need to tap to open the sharing options for that post. Go ahead and tap the share icon under the tweet. A small menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen or appear as a pop-up showing different actions you can take with that post. From this list, look for the option labeled Bookmarks. Once you see it, tap on Bookmarks to save the post. As soon as you select Bookmarks, the tweet is instantly added to your Bookmarks section on X. From now on, you can open the side menu, tap on Bookmarks, and that post will be waiting there whenever you need it. Use this feature to build your own personal collection of valuable posts so you never lose track of important content again.